All right. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Once again, welcome to this video tutorial, and I will going to show you on how to post a social media content using face. I mean, Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. Today I will going to show you on how to post a social media content on Facebook page or using Meta Business Suite. Okay, so here, as you can see on my screen, this is my dashboard. All right, my page is yeah, Tiny Bino dash freelance. Okay, so how should it goes, no? So make sure to have your content calendar ready, right? As you can see on my screen, I have this already. I have the image, the title of the graphics, which probably you can see on the graphics, probably on the graphics. Ito yung nilalagay natin sa graphics, no? So, yung caption for posting, ito yung ginagamit natin to post, no, on our social media platform, right? So, ito yung mga caption or yung text na nilalagay natin, and then together with the hashtags. Okay, so now I will going to show you how to post this content on our Facebook page. Okay, so let's click the Meta Business Suite. Okay, so mangyayari is dinadirect tayo doon sa Meta Business Suite na dashboard. Okay. So as you can see, ito na yung dashboard natin. Then, makikita natin kung ano yung mga nakalink sa ating page. Ayan. Make sure na yung napili na page, if you are handling multiple pages, so make sure na yung specific na page yung makikita dito or na-select natin. Okay. So to schedule your social media content, click the planner here. Dito sa ating navigation bar. Okay? Sige, ito na. Nasa loob na tayo ng content calendar or planner. Okay? So as you can see, meron tayong calendar, one week siya, no? Pwede natin we can choose a monthly dashboard or view ng ating content planner. Okay, so in my case I will choose this week lang yung view ng ating planner. Okay, so basically pag ganito yung makikita natin 7 p.m., mean to say ito yung suggested hour na binigay ni Facebook, na kung saan yung lahat ng audience mo o viewers most likely is 7 p.m. sila active, no? Tapos dito naman sa Instagram, as per Meta, is 9 p.m. sila most active. So, yun daw ang perfect timing, no, para mag-post, para mas mapansin or mas maraming engagement yung ating content. So, in my case, I will post here for I will use this post. But pwede din naman hindi natin yan i-follow, no? Then pwede natin mag-click tayo dito, then create post. Okay. So in my case, hindi natin ipipiliin yung 7 p.m. I want to schedule my post on ano lang siguro like later siguro mga 2, right? In my screen it's 2, it's 1 and 2 p.m. Okay? So, paano gagawin niya, no? Paano gagawin yung posting? Okay? So, first, add natin yung photo. Okay? Alright, paano gawin? Sige, let's go back. Click add photo. Or, kung video naman yung i-upload natin, click add video. Okay, pag photo, dito tayo. Pili natin. And then, add upload from desktop. Unless na-upload mo na dito sa iyong file manager ni Facebook or ni Meta. Okay? In our case, most likely ito yung ginagamit natin, upload from desktop. Okay, piliin natin. Sige, show all files. Alright, then hanapin natin yung drive kung saan natin sinave, no? Yung content natin. In my case, dito siya. Wait. Ito. 10-day social media content schedule for Facebook page. Okay? So, ang ipo-post ko, like for example, ito yung napili ko for our day, kasi tapos ko na itong na-post eh. So, this time, I will, choose random picture na lang. Sige, SEO, okay. Post ko yan. I'll choose this picture. Then, balik tayo doon sa, let's wait for the image to be uploaded, no? So, balik tayo dun sa content plan natin, calendar, I mean. So, select natin itong picture. Alright? I mean, the caption. The caption, i-choose natin, select hanggang dito sa hashtag. Then, copy natin, no? Copy natin, then balik tayo to sa Meta Business Suite, okay? Then, paste lang natin dito. Alright. So that's how it goes. As simple as that, no? Ganun lang kadali on how to post social media content on Facebook. Or that's about day posting, no? And how to post, okay? So, palitan natin. Outdated na itong email ko na ito. Okay, the number is, okay. Ayan, lagay yung number. Okay. So, yan. Okay. So that's how it goes. So saan ba nakikita yung caption? Dito sa taas, right? Dito siya nakita sa taas. So for example, you have two social media account. I think you have your Instagram link no sa ating page. Dalawa yung ma-post. If you post here on Meta Business Suite or Facebook page, automatically mapo-post siya dito sa ating Instagram. If i-uncheck natin 'yan, probably hindi siya mapopost doon. If you want to upload, no, sabay silang mag-upload, para at least hindi na kailangan mag-multi multitask o mag-post ka din doon. So you can check here para at least isang trabaho na lang. Okay? So ito na mangyayari. So next is how to schedule if ever na hindi mo pa gustong i-post. If you want to post as soon as now, no, pwede nating i-publish agad. Pero this time is i-schedule natin. So we can click the scheduling option. Click here, enable natin. Then lalabas yung eksaktong date or ng option, calendar option, no? Kung saan natin gustong i-schedule. Like for example, pipiliin ko 5. So also, pwede din natin piliin ng 6 dito, no? Pwede silang iba-iba yung time or date nila, no? Pwede natin palitan ito. For example, like for example, 10 p.m. Okay? 10 p.m. Dito naman is, ano ba? Pwede 9 p.m. Ayan, 9 p.m. Or pwede ding pareho silang dalawa, no? So, sometimes, ang ginagawa ko is share to story na para at least, ano siya, mas makakatulong din ito sa engagement ng ating social media content, no? So, yung iba kasi gusto lang yung mga parang snapshot lang, ganun. So, yun. That's how to schedule. And if you want to restrict, then go. If you want to go on public, say if you aim kumbaga kung aim mo naman is to get more engagement, so better in public na lang. So para at least hindi masayang yung ating mga content, okay? Now click the schedule. All right. So if you are going to post another or more content, you can click schedule another post. But if wala na, so we can click maybe later or the X here. Okay. So that's how it goes. Okay. So if you can see in my screen, I already posted no sa yung schedule natin kanina 10 p.m. On February 5, and this on the Instagram is 9 p.m. On the 6th of February. Okay. Say into the other content you can do wherever here, no. Pwede siya actually kahit ilang content na ilalagay mo schedule diyan, basta lang hindi lang silang pareho yung lap time, no. Kasi parang mag-conflict. We can post at least kahit na 1 minute lang yung gap nila pwede, no. So that's how it goes. Okay. I hope you learn. I hope you enjoy the session, no? So, additional information, if ever na hindi pa na-post, no, and we want to edit, no, the caption, or palitan natin yung graphics, we can edit here. Alright, we can delete pala dito. Pwede din i-edit ang date. Dito pala natin pwedeng i-edit. Edit natin post, or duplicate natin, i-reschedule natin, ilipat natin yung schedule of posting. Okay? So, if you want to, kumbaga, hindi mo gustong i-publish, you can move to drafts, okay? Or delete the post, okay? If you want to post ngayon na, you can click the publish now, okay? I hope everyone is learning, and thank you for joining me, or for watching this video. If you have time to please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be informed if the new video is uploaded. Thank you.